everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome back to another Sunday. I am really excited about this video. This is my first time trying this project out, but I think that you all would like it. So I have two different fabrics here. This measures about 4 inches in width, about 22 inches in length, and this one is about 38 inches by 2 after we have done the sewing portion. So first thing I've done was taking the edge here, I folded once. As you can see, it's already been creased, and then I folded another time. So I folded twice and then I sewn down, and right here you can see that I've already completed one side for each fabric. Of course you can see a little bit because it's black thread, but now we're going to do the same thing. Oh, you can see the lines better here. So now we're going to do the same thing for this side. So I folded once, folded twice, and then I sewed down, straight down the middle. So we're going to be creating, I know you all have seen like the ribbon with the wire in it. I believe it's called wired ribbon. I want to make some of that using fabric. So I'm excited. Again, this is my first time doing it. I thought that this would be a pretty cool, easy project, right? I'm still learning, and I just want to take you all on the journey. So I have purchased this wire from the Dollar Tree. This is the floral wire in their little garden section that they have. This is the packaging. So yeah, let's go ahead and get it started. Straight stitches only. And we're gonna start with this one. And if you need to use any pins, by any means, get you some pins, wonder clips. I am not going to use anything. I'm just going to sew and hold my fabric down like so. So you're going to take your sewing machine. I'm going to bring you all down so you can see exactly what I'm doing here. And I'm not going to backstitch this time. Usually I would backstitch, but we're going to close it up anyway, folding down going widthwise, so I'm not gonna backstitch for this time. So place it underneath the presser foot right in the center. Place your presser foot down, and we're just gonna do a straight stitch going straight all the way down to the other end. Take your time and just use your fingers to maneuver the fabric, okay? Okay, I have completed the first piece of fabric, so I'm just going to place the second one on without lifting my presser foot up. Place this one on the same way, pulling my fabric pieces down as I go along. Lift the presser foot up just a little bit to tuck it underneath, but I'm just going to keep my needle placed down into the first fabric, and I'm just going to continue to sew straight across. Straight down, I'm sorry. Taking my time, and I'm fixing my fabric as I go. Hold it down a little bit, just pinch it, and I'm going to hold it straight and continue to go all the way down till I complete. Okay, so once you have created both of your casings on both sides, you want to then add your wire. I added my wire to the side already, and now we're going to add it to the side. So you're just going to take your wire and you're going to place it inside of the hole that we placed on this side, which will be our casing. And we're just going to press it all the way down till we get to the end, okay? Keep going. This is a pretty long piece, so I'm just going until I get all the way to the end. Okay, so once you have placed your wires inside, we're now going to close up the ends like I did this one. So we're just going to close up the raw ends here. Just fold it down just a little bit, and we're going to do it twice. So this is our first time. Then we're going to close it the second time. And now we're going to create a straight stitch going across. So you're going to grab your sewing machine. And this time, yes, I did make sure that I did a back stitch. down on the presser foot, forward, and now we're going to backstitch. Okay, and now we're going to complete stitching all the way until you get to the other side. Okay, so we have completed both of our pieces here, and I'm just going to grab two different circular shapes, and I'm going to grab like a Pringle can or something for the big one, and now we can see if we can use it just like the wire ribbon. So we're going to see if we can manipulate it the same way. So I'm just going to hold it firmly. It looks like it want to do a little something. Or should I have went this way? Let's see. Okay. It's staying in place. Now I'm going to go under. So I'm just doing like a little over under. And flatten it down. Yeah, it's wavy. I think it's great. I think this would be great to put on like for summer. I mean, not summer, but like Christmas gifts. Make like Christmas ribbon, like with the fabric. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. So we're gonna do the same positioning, like an over under effect. Not bad. As you can see, it's doing the same thing as the first one. And I like it. I think this turned out pretty cool. You go to waves. Now let's see if we can try to make like a bow or something. Let's see how that'll look. Flatten it back out. It's not the best when it's flattened, but it's flat, right? As flat as it's gonna get anyway. Let's see. Not the best bow maker, but let's see what we can do. Okay. So far, so good. Let's see. Let's keep going. We don't want to talk too soon, right? Just pulling out the ears before I tighten it together. Not bad. Try to make this one a little shorter. But y'all just let me know what y'all think. How y'all think this turned out? First time. I don't think it turned out too bad, honestly. So we have both of our little pieces here already out. Look at this, y'all. I think it turned out really cute. Of course, you can continue to just play around with it, but I think this turned out pretty neat. I'll have to get some more practice going on with it, but for right now, I think I like it. I like it. And of course, make the pieces a little bit longer next time. Yeah. Just finding little things to get my curve right. I think I'm on to something, y'all. It turned out pretty cool. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. As I stated, not the best bow maker, so don't judge my bow, y'all. just think about the concept, right? And all of the things that you can possibly do with these and put them on. But this look good to me. This look really nice. I really enjoy creating this, and it's not that hard to create. Okay, I just had like some random fabric pieces that was just sitting in the little bag that I had over there of all my little scraps. But yeah, this turned out really cool. I enjoyed this. I would definitely be making this again. So you all let me know what you think. And I'm just trying to see if I can wrap it around. You know how the little ribbons come on the little spool. I just want to see if it's going to hold its place. Just playing around with it, honestly. Seeing the different things that I can do with it. How I can store it if I continue to make these. Look at that. Look at that. Held its own shape and everything. And just as secure so it won't move. If you think it's going to shift or anything, grab you a little pen. Set them up, prop them up in a row. In a row, just like this. Perfect. Alright guys, so that is the end of the sewing tutorial. I feel like it was very simple and easy to create. If you all have any questions, please look them down in the description box as always. And do not forget, because we have plenty more videos coming soon, I promise I am going to stay consistent with the Sew Sundays. I have to get back on track. So take that sewing machine out that box and create something. Until next time, bye.